Olivia is sad. She's been too sick to play. Her doctor needs to remove her tonsils to help her feel better. It's a beautiful morning as Olivia leaves for the hospital. The nurse is going to take her temperature before the operation. Then the sleep doctor gives Olivia special air to make her numb and sleepy. When she wakes up, her throat is sore, so there is an ice block waiting for her. Wow, what a magical place to spend the night! In the morning, after breakfast, Olivia gets to go home. Now Olivia is happy and feels much better.